Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we are about to make some soul food. Got some of this roast seasoned up, already cleaned it and all that good stuff. Can't be fixing no dirty meat. But I'm over here seasoning it up. I'm throwing on some of this garlic powder right here. I already got the other little seasons going on. Got them popping. They popping. Got some of this olive oil in the pan. I already had put a little olive oil on the steak, on the meat. So, again, gotta put a little more seasoning on there. Gotta season it into perfection. Until my ancestors say stop. We don't measure around here. We just keep on sprinkling, shaking. That's what we do around here. It looks like I'm throwing a little bit of that basil on there as well. Definitely. Got it looking good. Y'all see all that? Y'all. Please continue to like, share, subscribe. But look at it. I just got it up out the oven. Actually, I'm taking a look at it in the oven. It's almost done. Now, I like my meat well done. It don't really matter. If you guys don't like it that way, that's fine. But here's the final results. Got some of this homemade mac and cheese going on. This 3 cheese right here. Got 3 cheeses in here. I was going to make a 5 cheese. But unfortunately, I didn't have 5 different cheeses. I only had 3. So we got some of these greens and cabbage with some peppers, and we got some onions inside of it. Got the seasons going on, most definitely. So right here we got King Karate. He's cutting up the meat. So hey, look, don't be talking about my meat right here. I know it look mighty dry for you, but it ain't for me. So here's that cheesy, delicious macaroni and cheese. Yeah. So here's the plates. Now we ran up out of A1 sauce, so we got a little barbecue sauce on there. There go another plate right there. And there go the third plate. Thanks a lot for watching, share, subscribing. Please.